Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this calculator for a WordPress website using Claude AI. So let's get into it. I went to Claude AI and I basically just told it that I want to make a price calculator, and this was the first thing that it spit out at me. Then I explained, I need the fields, a few fields that I needed. One second, this I was asking right here. So this is the next thing that it gave me. I told it that I need features to change the gold prices, right? And then the current gold price, and also a feature where it refreshes for the current price. Over here you enter the number, and it should give you the number how much your gold is worth. But then we have a little code problem here. I told it that first of all the number's not working, second of all to fix this code. And this is how you talk to Claude AI. You could basically create sophisticated types of forms where before would take a lot of coding experience to create such calculator. First thing, it's the function, and the second thing about it is the look, right? This came out pretty nice. You probably could have done this with ChatGPT, but I have tried it. It's not nearly as nice as this. Claude, when it comes to coding HTML, it's on a whole different level. It literally created me like a whole full page calculator. Right, I will show you after this what ChatGPT gave me. Actually, I turned this gold price calculator into a plugin. I will show you after as well. So let me go on to the next. So basically, in the end of the day, this is the calculator that it gave me. Basically, I actually connected the API from Metal Price API. It gives you 100 per month, 100 free uses. So it means that every month, since you have this on your website, 100 times a month, like people could use it for free. Otherwise you're gonna have to buy the paid plan. It's very cheap. It's like $10-20 a month, but nonetheless, so it automatically updates the price for you, the current market price. Then you choose your gold clarity, and then you put the amount of grams you have, and it tells you the price for it. So this is for a customer that has a jewelry shop, and I actually looked for this kind of plugin for WordPress website, and it didn't have. So I'm like, let me create it from scratch. So what I did is, once Claude fixed all of these problems, I went through it like different tests and tribulations, and basically we got the end result. And what you do is, in the end of the day, you just copy the code. You click here and you hit copy. Hold up, let me go to the last one, but it doesn't matter. So once you copy the code, I'm using Elementor, I'm using the HTML, and I just dump the code in here, and boom, I have the calculator. And the best part about this is that you could create really sophisticated like plugins, like features for your website. It doesn't matter which niche you're in. So for example, I'm about to create a really sophisticated pricing calculator for a Jewish religious field. It's really hard to explain, but anyway, I could do basically mortgage calculators. You could do anything you want, and you no longer need to know coding to get all this done. That's the beauty part of it. And second of all, it even does the designs for you. So before we end this video, I wanted to show you how it ended up as a plugin. So I ran out of the free the free plan for Claude, so I used ChatGPT, and it created me this ugly plugin. So what I did was I I asked Claude, actually I asked ChatGPT to create for me. I gave it the code and I told it to make a WordPress plugin. And at first it just gave me the code, and then I had to ask it to make a downloadable plugin. I took it and I uploaded it to WordPress. Then I told it to make me the shortcode gold calculator. I enter and this is what I have. If I would have done this on Claude, I'm pretty sure you could do it on Claude as well. You just tell it to, so now this calculator, whatever you're making, turn it into a WordPress plugin for me. Then once you install it, you put the short code and boom, your calculator is going to pull up on your website. Alright guys, if you if you need some kind of calculator for your business, let me know. I could surely take on a project and create something unique for you. Alright, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like this video.